And the rough. Early lead is taken by Arvin Dugo from the outside. Elijah Wong, Whistler on the farther outside, moving up on the inside. Swertelangan between horses, Mr. Universe. And heading for the backstretch, the favorite Arvin Dugo leading the field by 3.5 lengths. Whistler running in second on the outside. Elijah Wong by the rail in third, Mr. Universe and Swertelang. That is still the favorite, Arvin Dugo by 2.5 lengths, followed by Whistler in second, running in third, Elijah Wong by 3.5 lengths, Mr. Universe on the outside in fourth, and Swertelang. Adamir backstretch, Arvin Dugo by 4.5 lengths, Whistler remains in second, and in very fast third, Elijah Wong, Mr. Universe on the outside, and Swertelang. Rounding the far turn, it is still the outstanding favorite, Arvin Dugo leading the field by 4 lengths, followed by Whistler in second. Mr. Universe now running in third by 3.5 lengths. Elijah Wong on the inside, and bringing up the rear is Swertelang. And at the top of the stretch, it is still the outstanding favorite, now pulling away from the field, and that is entry number 5, Arvin Dugo, followed by Whistler on the outside in second, Mr. Universe, Elijah Wong, and Swertelang. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Arvin Dugo all by himself. And finally, at the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 5, Arvin Dugo, Whistler, Mr. Universe, Elijah Wong, and Swertelang.